I'm here for you if you want to talk. You know, I'm not going to interrupt you, but go ahead, talk about anything you want to. I'm here to support you. And you just let them talk. You know, having somebody get that relief, get something off their chest. Hey, realist, how are you doing? Welcome. Happy Friday. Getting somebody to get something off their chest. And, you know, I start with the youth, you know, younger people. You would never believe the things that younger people are experiencing. It's a lot. Things are different than when we probably were in school. They have different pressures from society, from their peers. So, you know, I like to remind the younger girls, you know, that one day, you know, this too shall pass. And the kids the girls that are bullying you, maybe you feeling that you are lacking in confidence, that will change. You know, don't give up. Don't listen to what other people are saying. You know, I like to remind younger people to be your own self, to be your own individual. I wish that was something that I had when I was younger. I wish I had some older person tell me that my life isn't always going to be this miserable, that one day the people that are driving me crazy or who I don't like, they're not going to even matter to you. Like, sometimes we need to remind the younger people that just because you're struggling with something right now, just because people are treating you a certain way, don't make one bad decision to ruin your life. Because these kids will go with a knife or a gun or something and commit this crime and ruin the rest of their life. You know, I like to encourage the younger people, you know, keep your calm, chill, go for a walk, take a break, you know, talk to somebody, but don't hold all of that inside. I think that's important to tell the younger people as well as older people, because sometimes we forget as adults. We got to talk about things too, whether it's your parents, aunts, uncles, whoever, friends, young people, disabled people. Everybody has feelings, but especially the ones that are shut in, they really don't have a life. You know, they're not going anywhere really anymore. They're kind of shut in, probably confined to their bed, confined to a wheelchair. I think about those things sometimes, and how I would feel sitting in a wheelchair all day, how I would feel laying in the bed all day. Wouldn't feel good. I wouldn't like it. So I like to give back in my community, not as much as I want to, but I like to at least once a month, I like to give back and do something, whether it's going to the homeless shelter and volunteering, you know, my time to, you know, share the food, maybe just talk to them, go to the nursing home, volunteer my time, do a few things for some people that I vibe with in the nursing home, or give back to a neighbor, help out. You know, something as simple as bringing down their garbage can, because it's hard for them to do that. You know, I have a little old lady, and I do that every week. I go and pull down her garbage can, and then the next day I go and pull it back down, or go by and ask her if she needs for me to open any jars. For me, it's a simple thing. It's not a big deal. How long will that take me? 20, 30 seconds? Not much, but, you know, it matters to somebody. You know, other people may not be able to see it, but they see it. And, you know, that's basically what I wanted to come on to say. I didn't have that much to say, but I feel like this was a powerful discussion and conversation. Don't forget about your elderly. Don't forget about the infirm. Don't forget about those who have special needs, those who are disabled, the homeless, you know, the single parents. Don't forget about the youth, because they need us. Everybody needs some encouragement. Everybody needs somebody to lean on. So, you know, each one teach one. Encourage, support, listen, all of those things. So